Okay, come see what we're doing today. There's all them dang tires. And yeah, I had the kids do the boxes, but yeah, they didn't do it the way I told them to do it. But hey, at least the boxes are out there. There's all these tires. But yeah, let's go see what the kids are doing. This is funny. This is hilarious.
Come here.
How'd that one get out? We're cutting the wings off of all the because they keep flying out of this pen, and but yeah. Oh, this is hilarious. But yeah, we're cutting the wings off of all my chickens that way there because they've been getting up in the trees. They've been, you know, I can't be having them out. No, not at nighttime. So we're just gonna cut the wing, you know, just one wing off of, not the whole wing, but the feathers off of one wing. That way there they can't fly out of here. Cause I'm not gonna lie, I got killers, especially right back over that way. There's a big coulee over there, and yeah, the killers patrol that area a lot, so I don't need them being outside at night. So we're just gonna cut their, you know, just one wing, you know, just like those right there. You see, not the babies, but the mallard duck, the hen, she's right there. I think all the ducks should be cut.
Oh no, I ain't touching.
Yeah, the ducks are cut. They're cut.
The ducks are cut. We ain't gotta do it.
Oh, look, the babies. Got the babies here. Guess what? Y'all getting cut too.
And we gotta put them in.
We're fixing to round them up and put them in here because those are the four that keep getting out. Just grab them. My goodness gracious.
Like I don't know which ones I do.
Well, just look at the feathers. Just grab them. Oh, dear Lord. All right, Kaylin, I'm going to push them, the baby ducks this way. All four of them need to be cut.
Wait, all four of them need to be cut, the baby? No, stop, please, too. All four of the babies need to be cut. Make sure that none of them come out.
I don't even know where all this stuff comes from. It just shows up. But yeah, I got to cut their wings because they're flying out at night, and I don't need that. I don't want to lose no animals. Come on, go. So no killers, you know. That's a violent death. I'm not even. Keep going, go. Just keep going, go. Y'all know where to go. Go. All right, get ready. Here they come. Wade, you're gonna have to move. All right, go. Get in there. No, don't bomb rush them. You don't have to. All right, shut the gate. Them four definitely have to be cut because yeah, they're flying out of their pen. It's funny. They ain't getting hurt by no means. They ain't getting hurt. Ain't nobody hurting them. But yeah, this morning I woke up and well, last night I went to bed and I noticed a whole bunch of my chickens weren't here. A whole bunch of them were actually just in the trees and just all over the place. I woke up to a rooster crowing underneath my house.
Come here. These babies I need to catch. That's it.
Y'all don't need to catch the babies, just the big ones.
The baby ducks. The baby ducks are the one I'm trying to get.
Got him.
Got him?
Okay, y'all.
Yeah, I got
I'm gonna have to get in there and help. You have a good day. God bless. Stay safe. Stay healthy. And Louisiana done went plumb nuts.